I just love the earthiness and the kind of grounding process of working on a curry or a stew. I just love looking at an onion and the way daylight washes over it. It's such a simple, humble, yet powerful root vegetable that's literally at the base of so much that we eat. So, this spicy chickpea stew with coconut and turmeric is something that I found on the internet at pamelasalzman.com, and it's just gotten me besotted and coming back for more because it's such a simple yet feisty, hearty, and delicious staple that you can whip up and keep for days, full of anti inflammatory spices and greens. I love the golden color that the chickpeas take on as soon as they're kind of cooked into this amazing base with turmeric, crushed red pepper flakes, salt, and pepper. Then you add in the coconut milk and the veggie stock, and then you've just got this beautiful, festive, simmering vat of yellow that simmers away for about 30 minutes. And right then you add in this whole burst of green. So I added kale, baby spinach, French beans, snow peas, but one could also add cabbage, you could put potato, you could put so much more.